Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by defining the exact research question and the hypotheses you will test. Once done, collect 10-20 core sources and load them into your reference manager so citations are ready. Next, create a structured outline with sections: intro, lit review, methods, results, discussion. Then prompt the AI to draft the introduction using your outline and 3 key citations. Give the model constraints on tone, word count, and novelty. This gets a first draft you can iterate on immediately. Once your draft exists, focus on methods and results where accuracy matters most. Ask the AI to expand methods into reproducible, stepwise procedures and to produce code snippets for your analysis. Then run those snippets on a subset of data to verify. After validation, prompt the AI to summarize statistical outputs into clear tables and figure captions. Make sure to write the interpretation yourself, using the AI to translate numbers into narrative while you check assumptions, effect sizes, and limitations. You finish by verifying reproducibility and running a plagiarism check. Do not skip this step. Then use the AI to rewrite for clarity and to format the manuscript to the target journal's guidelines, adjusting title, abstract, and keywords until crisp. Once formatted, compile figures, tables, and a cover letter. Finally, submit and track. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot. Reproduce the analysis on a fresh environment, check random seeds and data paths, and rerun AI prompts with stricter constraints to fix inconsistencies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.